The Pikes Peak Small Business Development Center provides free consulting, practical training, and business resources for small businesses in the Pikes Peak region, giving entrepreneurs and business owners the tools and advice needed to start, grow, and thrive.
Dazed and confused. It's probably what I can say brought me to the SBDC. I actually needed to complete my business plan. I was a minority woman starting a business with no money. So I needed all the support I could get from any community resources. Between Ekta, Becky, and Dustin, I was able to actually utilize the mentor services here, and that was huge. I mean, that is worth so much more value than any dollar, I have to say. If you become a student of the Leading Edge Business course and you have the opportunity to take on that business consulting for free, there's no other value in my opinion. It was worth every dime.
I needed help with the SBDC to understand how to get into federal contracting. Most things that you hear about, you just do this. So many times you hear in a commercial, you just buy this and it'll fix this. And it seems that way, but once you get into what you're doing, you start to realize that you don't have the knowledge. And SBDC provides a lot of resources, a lot of different people out there from many different aspects, attorneys, accountants, QuickBooks people, whatever it is you're looking for. You can sit down and talk to, like I said, go to a class, and that person is going to provide another perspective that somebody else that gave that exact same presentation didn't give, and you'll learn something from it. So it's just being open to the information.
Boy, I think both of us really wanted to be entrepreneurs, or always had a kind of that entrepreneurial spirit, right? So once you jump the broomstick, so to speak, right, you make that commitment to be an entrepreneur. Now you have this now what sort of question. And you start to realize all the things that you don't know, right? That's where humility plays in with this entrepreneurial game, right? You can't be comfortable with what you don't know. And what's great about the SBDC is it is there to make you the smartest person in the room on everything from finance to bookkeeping to
social media. There's always going to be gaps that you'll never be able to fill on your own, especially in the beginning. And so it's a great way for people, for businesses to be able to go in there and for very low cost or no cost, get the skills and information that they need to make smart decisions as they progress through this business adventure.
We had a lot of big questions starting this product because we're essentially creating a category and going on uncharted territories. So we really had a lot of unknowns. Through the SBDC, I attended a number of classes and met with numerous consultants to give us insight during pivotal times over the last few years.
To take advantage of free consulting, practical training, and business resources, visit pikespeaksbdc.org. Pikes Peak SBDC. Advancing small business is our business.